In the name of God, Fundamental of Thermodynamics, Chapter 14, Thermodynamic Relations, from Borknack and Sontag, 7th edition. We have first an introduction. We have already defined and used several thermodynamics properties. Among these are pressure, specific volume, density, temperature, mass, internal energy, enthalpy, entropy, constant pressure and constant volume specific heat, CP0, and the Joule-Thomson coefficients. Two other properties, the Helmholtz function and Gibbs function, will be introduced and will be used more extensively in following chapters. Helmholtz and Gibbs function. Gibbs function. Will also be introduced and will be used more extensively in the following chapters. We have also had occasions to use table of thermodynamics properties for a number of different substances. One important question is now raised: which thermodynamic properties can be experimentally measured? Which thermodynamic properties can be experimentally measured? We can answer this question by considering the measurements we can make in the laboratory. Some of the properties, such as internal energy and entropy, cannot be measured directly. Some of properties cannot be measured directly, such as enthalpy and entropy. internal energy entropy, and must be calculated from other experimental data. From other experimental data. If we carefully consider all these thermodynamic properties, we conclude that there are only 4 that can be directly measured. That pressure, temperature, volume, mass. This leads to a second question: how can value of the thermodynamic properties that cannot be measured be determined from experimental data on those properties that can be measured? To answer this question, we will develop certain general thermodynamic relations in view of the fact that millions of such equations can be written. Our study will be limited to certain basic considerations, with particular references to the determination of thermodynamic properties from experimental data. We will also consider such related matters as generalized charts and equations. So, thermodynamic relations